Early morning, dark clouds cover the small village. Soft rain begins to fall. Children go to school laughing and hopping over puddles. School starts, students get ready for prayers. First period starts, children began to study enjoying rainy day. Lunch break came. They enjoyed their food sharing with each other. They never forget to have fun on rainwater.
Rainy is so heavy, but the coffee is perfect.
Bell rang, the last period was finished. Children packed their bags slowly, enjoying the final moments of the rain. The rain slowly softens. Enjoy the rain safely, share the joy with friends. Some of the happiest school memories are made on rainy days.